today discussing exercise 6.2. In that first one, question C what gave? Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. Now, these questions require construction. By step, we now seeing them. Step 1. Draw 10 cm one line segment. This like 10 cm one line segment we want to draw. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 cm one line segment we drawn, and this name gave a OP. This name want to give O and P. Okay. Step 2. Take a compass. In that compass, take a 6 cm distance from your measure scale. Now we will be taking 6 cm distance in the compass from measure scale. Here 0, 5 and 6. 6 cm distance we took in a compass, and middle of this compass put a O point and a 1 circle draw. This like 1. This like 1 circle draw. This is step 3. In step 4, take a compass. In that compass, take a more than half of OP. More than half of means not half, more than half. This much be distance took in a compass. Now middle of this compass, put on a point O and 1 arc draw upside, this like, and 1 arc draw downside. Drawn same again one time. Middle of this compass, put on a point P and 1 arc draw this like, drawn. So we getting these intersecting arcs, which is the step 4. In step 5, take a scale and 1 straight line draw which passes through these intersecting arcs. So this like that scale we kept, and 1 straight line draw which passes through these intersecting arcs. This like we drawn. Yes, where this intersecting line intersect OP, that name give a M. M means which is a midpoint of OP, where this M divides this OP into 2 equal parts. It means OM is equal to MP, which is the step 5. In step 6, take in a compass. OM distance take in a compass. OM distance take in a compass, and middle of this compass put on a point M and another one circle draw. This like, and 1 circle draw. This like circle draw. This like 1 circle draw. This like 1. This like circle draw. Here new circle intersecting previous circle at point this and this. This name is given that A and this one give B. These are the 2 intersecting circles at point A and B are meet to each other. In step 7, take a scale and join these P and A. Join this P and A. And similarly, again one time, join this P and B, which are the required pair of tangents through the external point P to the center of the circle O, which is a required construction for this like question. There again question what continue ask us, see, and measure their lengths. Measure their lengths. It means now one by one, for this we want that measure. First we want to join this OA and OB. Join this OA and OB. I dotted line we are using that here for understanding. Here what we did, the dotted line we shown for joining this OA and OB. Okay, join. Now one by one we want this AP and BP values what that asked them. So first step what, see, here what do, This O to P, how much distance given? O to P, O to P, that is a 10 centimeter. O to P, how much centimeter? 10 centimeter. And O to A, which is the radius of the circle, which have a 6 centimeter radius. Then we want that AP. If you neatly observe in a triangle AOP, which is a right angle triangle, according to theorem 4.1 in circle theorem's first, what telling us? Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, in a right angle triangle OAP, in a right angle triangle OAP, where angle A is equal to how much degree? 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what? Here hypotenuse which? OP square is equal to OA square plus AP square. See, here we want that OP gave a, OA gave a, we want AP, this modification writing that AP square is equal to OP square minus OA square. Again one time wrote means AP is equal to under square root OP square minus OA square is equal to AP is equal to, now OP value what gave? OP value 10 centimeter in under square root 10 centimeter whole bracket square minus OA value what gave? 6 centimeter whole bracket square, you wrote here, is equal to, in under square root 10 square 100 minus 6 square what? 36 is equal to, in again square root 100 square how much? 100 minus 36 how much? 64, and 64 square root is a 8. So AP is equal to how much centimeter? 8 centimeter. This like that if you ask you to find the length of this tangent, we can use this Pythagoras theorem. We want to solve this. Thank you for watching.